This is a more detailed video from the short that I posted regarding putting painter's tape as a parking place or spot within your garage. I chose to do this instead of hanging the tennis ball from your ceiling. When the car's not in the garage, you have those balls hanging around. And if you're walking through here, you have balls hitting your face. Let me show you the tools. There's only two tools that you're going to need. One, you're going to need an X-Acto knife. And then painter's tape. So I use this frog tape. It's pretty durable. And you would think that painter's tape would just lift off, or as the tires go over the tape, it would just smear it and tear it. Sometimes it does. So if you look down over here, when my daughters turn their tires in their car or ourselves, it can tend to tear the tape. However, I've had this tape here for a few years, and I just put new strips on it just to maintain it. And I'm just going to show you that really quick. Then I'm going to show you how to do the corners over here. So this way you can show them, have nice, neat, clean, right angle, 90-degree corners. So for this one here, put it down right over the top of your other tape. Get a good long strip there. And then I just tap it down. And then I just walk on it here. Just put some steps. And when I started out, before there was any tape here, I would back the car in, or my daughter's car, perfectly where I want it, and then I would just outline the tape all the way around the car, and then pull the car out, and then redo the tape and make it nice. So here, all you have to do is just tear that off and put it straight down. We'll redo this one here too. Right on the top. Right on the top. Try to make it as nice as possible. You could paint this, but that's just a lot of work. So it's easier just to do this, I found. There you go. So let me show you how to do the corners. Have your X-Acto knife, razor blade, or a regular knife. You just want to be able to cut it. You can even use scissors if you want. But the key for this is pretty self-explanatory. But as you put your tape down, you're going to want to overlap it. So we don't need that much. Pop it here. Make sure it's as straight as we are. There you go. And we do the same on the other corner. This way, I'm just going to go ahead and start with the overlap. I'm just going to tear this here. Get it right on. And now you just take your X-Acto knife and clean it up. There you go. So you can do that all the way around, and you just maintain it. Really easy. I like using the light green tape because it shows a little bit better. I guess you can use orange tape as well, type painter's tape. But yeah, quick and simple, kind of unorthodox or unconventional way of pulling your car into the garage. And yeah, hopefully this works out for you all.